Should we do it? Right here, move. Okay, let's do it. No, stop, don't record yet. I hate you.
I didn't know I'm recording.
Okay. Oh, you say score or not?
No.
Okay. Yeah, you are. Okay. On the count of three. Like, okay, one.
Now I am.
Hi, I'm Justin, and this is the camera guy, Tim. Tim, show yourself. Yeah, she's the same camera guy, so we gotta say away. Okay. Make sure you don't get the picture. Okay, yes, that's the camera guy. Okay. This goes out to my 9th grade English class and Miss Martin's class. Yeah. To Lance Duran, Nick Malik, everyone else who wanted me to post this video. It's called Funny R words, R sounds, whatever. Yeah, ugh.
Wait. Just keep talking, but like.
Ugh,
Your
rabbit.
face is not in there yet.
Toy bug.
No, you have to. We have to see your face too. Wait.
What? Look it up. Michael Torborg, Roger, Rabbit, Red, Wink, Webster.
That's W.
No, it has an R. Durand.
Read some of these.
Holy fuck. Roboto, robot, robots.
Let's start over. Okay.
Stop, delete it. Just pause it, delete it. Fuck that.
Okay. Ready?
No, wait.
3, 2.
Wait, I can't really fuck that. Wait. Okay, hi, I'm Justin, and this is the camera guy, Tim. Tim, show yourself right now. Now.
Fine.
That's not Tim. Okay, yeah, that's Tim's jeans pocket. Jeans. Okay, whatever. Hi, jeans. Okay. Okay. This goes out to my 9th grade English class.
Wait. Fine.
Yeah, that's the camera guy, Tim.
Yeah, it's me. I'm the camera guy for all the other videos.
Yeah.
So. Yeah.
Okay, this goes on my 9th grade English class. Miss Martin, Nick Malik, Lance Duran, yeah, whoever wanted me to make this video. Funny R sounds, funny R words. Rabbit, Red, Wink, Roger, Michael Torborg, Duran, Rabbit, Rabies, Rabbi, Rabbits, Reds, Redette.
Rabbinism.
Yeah, rabbinism.
Rabbinism.
Rabbinic.
Rabbited.
Rabbited.
Race car.
Race car.
Raccoons.
Rackahut.
Rackahut.
Michael Torborg.
You already said Michael Torborg.
Yeah, that's like the best one everyone would say. Racemic. Racist. Race. Racist, bitch. Racist.
Racket bonuses.
Racket bonuses.
Wait, maybe it's bonuses.
Whacker. Rooster.
Racketeerings. Raconturing.
Radar. Sonar.
Racquetballs.
Rattle.
Radiators.
Radar. Radical. Rail.
Radii.
Radio. Radii.
Ready.
Whatever.
Radiologic.
No, I'm not saying.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
Yeah.
Read. Radiotelemetries. Let's find a super long ass word.
Rage.
Raggy.
Rags. Raggedy. Reggae. Regini. Rigatoni.
Wait.
Red. Michael Torborg. Wink. Red. Michael Torborg. Wink. Roller Wink. Wager. Red Panda. Rapids. I need to think of other R words. If you viewers want to help me out and like post a comment saying racist, racist, rapist, rapist, when. Yeah, if you guys want to comment and like write some other R words
Oh,
down.
dude, you can see the picture in the back. No, we can't.
Okay. If you guys want to comment and write some other R words down, I'll make another video saying it. It's called Funny R Sounds. Rain jacket, rain, Raja, red, rainbow,
Rambler, Ramapithecinas. Rambunctious. Ooh, there's one. Rampagianuses.
Rampage. Waiting.
Randomizations.
Randomization. I don't know how to say it.
Ranshacking.
Ranshackling. Red. Toy bug. Repels.
Rapprochements.
Rapes. Rapid. Rapist.
What's with the rapes, dude? That's sick.
Rapist. Rape.
Recall.
Recon. We fought.
Okay, this video's done. It's getting too long.
Peace. Okay, let me see it. Did you see a picture now?